Welcome to uSpeak channel, Transforma tu vida. Today we're going to make a Valentine's Day jar card, see-through. So what you're going to need is foam sheets, not many, just one or two, flashcards, white flashcards, like this, white flashcards, markers, and construction paper. So let's get started. The first step is to make the bottom of our card. So we're going to take foam sheets and I'm using these white flashcards. If you have bigger ones, you can use bigger ones. I'm going to put them together like this to make them like bigger. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste them on the foam sheet. It's easier if you just put it first on the foam sheet because it makes it easier to just put the flashcard on top of it later. Okay. Perfect. See, it's easier. So the good thing about these kind of glue is that it dries faster than liquid silica. And there you go. This is the base of our beautiful card. Now the next step is that we're going to draw. I'm going to set this aside. We don't need it right now. You're going to draw your jar. You can print it if you're really not good, if you're not really good at drawing. I am okay at drawing, so I'm going to just draw it like that. So we're making the jar first. I'm making it with pencil, so if I make mistakes, I can just erase it and start over. I hope I don't make mistakes though, because that's going to take a long time to correct. The difficult thing about this is making it symmetrical. Since I don't have a ruler and I didn't print it, I'll try my best. Perfect. Haven't finished. The next thing we're going to do is that we're going to take our transparent sheet. You can use the ones that I'm using is like a part of a bag, of a transparent bag. If you have anything that's harder, you can use that. I only have this and it was cheaper. So you can use these too if you don't have a lot of money. And if you're doing this, it's because you probably don't want to spend much, but you want something that has meaning, something meaningful that you want to give that person that you love so much. It can be someone from your family, it can be a friend, your boyfriend or girlfriend. So maybe you don't have a lot of money and you don't want to spend much, so this would be a good choice. I'm going to overdraw on my pencil drawing, make it marker drawing. Again, so this is just one idea of what you can give someone if you are short on cash, or just if you want to do something with your own hands and maybe you don't have a lot of time, and maybe yes, you don't have a lot of money, but you want to give something significant and you want to give something meaningful. You can make a card and write all of your feelings inside the card, and I'm pretty sure the person who receives this is going to get all the love you're putting into doing this. Okay, now I have the marker drawn jar. So now we're going to cut inside the jar because that's where the plastics can go. So these would be easier if we had a cutter, you know, that thing that's like a knife, and you take it out and you pass it But since we don't have one, I just have scissors, like pink scissors. What I'm going to do, and that's what I usually do when I want to cut something on the inside, is that I fold it like this. Try not to hurt the paper so much. So I did hurt the paper a little. And you can cut it like on the other side like this, carefully. And then you can put your scissors inside and start cutting. Make sure you cut just inside the black line. You don't want to cut on the black line, because then your jar is not going to have a line anymore. So, and you do want your jar to have a line. Well, usually people go and have dinner at restaurants, and or they have parties, you know, Valentine's parties, or they have gift exchange. Here at uSpeak, we're going to have an activity called Secret Friend. Your secret friend is someone who gives you a gift every day for a week or so. And what we're going to do right now is that we're going to get more foam sheets, and we're going to cut a small line, you know, not very big. And this is so we can make the space, enough space for our jar to have the candies inside. There are many different kinds of cards you can make. You can also bake something for your significant other. You can make a cake, or you can make chocolates from scratch, like not buy them, but make them. Okay, so there we go. You can see right through it. It's awesome. Okay, now, so we can paste this onto our card. We're going to use the strips we cut before, and we're going to paste them all around the world, no, all around our jar. Now that you have everything, like all your little stripes of foam there, you can paste it on your card like this. But before you paste it, you have to put your candy in. So you can, if you have stickers, you can use stickers. If you have real candy, you can, I guess you could put real candy. I wouldn't do that though. You can get construction paper, and you can draw some hearts, and you can write some notes inside your hearts too. You can put I love you, or I hope you have a really nice day, or things like that. I mean, I know they're super cheesy. That's up to you how cheesy you are. Now that we have all our candy hearts, what we're going to do is that we're going to put them inside the jar and paste everything together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paste a part of the jar onto the card, like this. Make sure you paste only a section of the foam. Okay, now you're going to put everything in. And you paste the other section of the jar, the other part of the jar. And they don't move. And there you go. There's your card. You write all your feelings inside of it, and happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a beautiful Valentine's. I hope your card looks better than mine. And remember, Remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Leave a comment below. How do you usually celebrate Valentine's Day? And what do you usually give as a gift? Recuerda que en uSpeak tenemos el curso para ti. Bye.